Hey, this is a video how to remove a front right window switch on a 2006 Mercedes S500. We have the door panel off. You do not need to take off the door panel. It's just we already had it off, but the way I'm gonna do it is basically reach in the bottom and kind of start lifting it up, and it just pops out, and then just slide it down and it will come out, and I'll show you what you have to pull on. So when I reach in there, you have to basically pop it out of this clip, and I would just grab it by my fingers, just kind of pull it, and then you lift it or pull it down, and it will come out of this clip as well. And you just unplug it from this plug. I'm not gonna be able to do it right now, it's not comfortable, but this is it. So do not pry it up on top, that's what's gonna happen.